Namaste. Welcome to all of you. This is the second lecture of the chapter Chemical Kinetics. In the first lecture, we started with rate of chemical reaction. So, what is rate of chemical reaction? The speed with which chemical reaction takes place. That is called rate of chemical reaction. And the rate can be expressed in terms of decrease in the concentration of reactants or disappearance of reactants, or increase in the concentration of products or appearance of products per unit time. That is called rate of chemical reaction. And then we solve numerical based upon the rate of chemical reaction in the first lecture. In this lecture, we start with the average rate and the instantaneous rate. So the rate of chemical reaction can be expressed in terms of average rate or in terms of instantaneous rate. Let's start with the average rate of chemical reaction. Let's define it. The average rate of reaction is the appearance of product or increase in the concentration of products or disappearance of reactants, or that means decrease in the concentration of reactants over a long period of time. That is called average rate over a long period of time, not over a instant of time. So it is the appearance of products or disappearance of reactants over a long period of time. Now remember the first lecture. We express the rate of chemical reaction in terms of decrease in the concentration of reactant or increase in the concentration of product, and we derive these equations. हमने ये equations लिखे थे. Actually these equations are for average rate. किसके लिए है ये? For average rate. डिनोट किससे करते हैं? R और नीचे सबस्क्रिप्ट में AB, R small r और नीचे AB for average rate. So the average rate is equal to decrease in the concentration of reactant upon time taken or increase in the concentration of product upon time taken. And the time taken, the time period is a long period of time, not a instant of time. And it is equal to minus delta R upon delta T या फिर पॉजिटिव डेल्टा P अपॉन डेल्टा T. यहां पर डेल्टा क्या शो कर रहा है? चेंज, और ये स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स concentration. So change in the concentration of reactant upon time taken या फिर change in the concentration of product upon time taken. That is average rate of chemical reaction. Clear? Now let's see graphically how can we calculate the average rate. So we draw a graph between concentration of reactant versus time या फिर concentration of product versus time. Now we know that the concentration of reactant decreases with respect to time and the concentration of product increases with respect to time. Suppose at time t1 the concentration of reactant is R1. At time t2 the concentration of reactant is R2. So in this case the average rate is equal to क्या इक्वेशन? नेगेटिव डेल्टा R अपॉन डेल्टा T. हम ये नेगेटिव क्यों ले रहे थे याद करो? Because the difference in the concentration of reactant comes to be negative and the rate is always positive quantity. To make rate positive, we multiply by negative sign. Negative will be positive. So from this graph, the average rate will be, final concentration from this graph is at time t2 is R2. ये R2. So R2 concentration minus R1 concentration upon T2 minus T1. Clear? That's the average rate in terms of concentration of reactants. In terms of concentration of product, हमारा इक्वेशन क्या है? R average is equal to delta P upon delta T. और इस ग्राफ से देखो At time T1, the concentration of product is P1. At time T2, concentration of product is P2. तो R एवरेज कितना आ जाएगा? डिफरेंस निकालेंगे तो P2 concentration minus P1 concentration upon T2 minus T1. So that's how you can calculate the average rate from the graph also. So that's all about the average rate of chemical reaction. So take out your pen, notebook, start writing your notes. तो ये हमारा हो गया average rate of chemical reaction. Now we'll start with the instantaneous rate of chemical reaction. Yes, now the instantaneous rate of chemical reaction. Before that, please note down that the average rate cannot be used to predict the rate of chemical reaction at a particular moment of time. It can only be used over a long range of time. But as the concentration of reactant decreases at every moment of time, so if you want to calculate the rate of chemical reaction at a particular moment of time, then we'll use instantaneous rate. Clear? Define करते हैं the reaction rate or the rate of reaction at a particular instant of time, at a particular moment of time, not over a long range of time, at a particular instant of time is called instantaneous rate of reaction. या हम इसको शो कैसे कर रहे हैं? R नीचे INST है instantaneous के लिए. It is equal to minus dr upon dt. वो हम शो कैसे कर रहे थे? For average rate delta R upon delta T. इस केस में क्या हो रहा है? For very very small time interval change. That means the time interval nearly approaches zero. In that case, we'll use dr upon dt या फिर dp upon dt. So in this case, what is this dr and dp? The dr and dp, they represent the infinitesimally small changes, very very small changes in the concentration of reactant and product in the infinitesimally small interval of time dt, in the very very small time interval dt. That is called instantaneous rate of chemical reaction. तो सो हम किसे कर रहे हैं? डी से करेंगे, डी आर अपॉन डी टी या फिर डीपी अपॉन डी टी, और यहाँ पे नेगेटिव साइन आता है. ग्राफिकली कैसे निकालेंगे? सपोज ये हमारा ग्राफ है वही सेम बेस्ड अपॉन द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट्स और टाइम के बीच में, और ये हमारा रिएक्टेंट का अमाउंट कम होता जा रहा है. इफ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट द इंस्टेंटेनियस रेट एट ए पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट, एट ए पर्टिकुलर टाइम, कहां पे? पी पॉइंट पे, एट दैट मोमेंट ऑफ टाइम. तो सो कैसे करेंगे? उस पॉइंट पे हम टेंजेंट ड्रॉ कर देंगे. विल ड्रॉ ए टेंजेंट. ये टेंजेंट ड्रॉ कर दिया हमने एट दैट पॉइंट पी where we want to calculate the rate of chemical reaction, and then use the slope. The slope of this tangent curve will be helpful to calculate the instantaneous rate of chemical reaction. तो इस केस में इंस्टेंटेनियस रेट कितना हो जाएगा? इसके स्लोप के बराबर, स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट. और वो कितना आ गया? वही सेम है डी आर अपॉन डी टी. तो हमने उस मोमेंट पे हमने उस स्लोप के ऊपर टेंजेंट ड्रॉ किया. उस टेंजेंट का जो स्लोप आ गया टेन थीटा से, वो क्या है? डी आर अपॉन डी टी. वो हमारा क्या आ जाएगा? इंस्टेंटेनियस रेट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन. Suppose for a general reaction we have A moles of A combined with the B moles of B to form C moles of C and D moles of D. In this reaction, if you want to write down the instantaneous rate, तो हम कैसे लिख देंगे? Rate is equal to minus, वही सेम तरीका है, the stoichiometric coefficients वो कहाँ जाएंगे? डिवाइड कर देंगे. अब हम यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे? ऊपर D A upon dt. For average rate we use delta A upon delta T करते हैं. For instantaneous we use dA upon dt. In terms of reactant B, rate will be minus 1 upon B dB upon dt. In terms of C, it will be 1 upon C dC upon dt. In terms of D, 1 upon D d upon dt. So that's how you can write down the instantaneous rate of chemical reaction for this general reaction. So that's all about the average rate and the instantaneous rate of chemical reaction. And that's about this lecture. In the next lecture, we'll discuss about the various factors which affect the rate of chemical reaction. Okay? So see you all in the next lecture. और आप सबको फिर से मेरा नमस्ते.